I think over here you can see the mountains really well. And there's dorms over this way. Like Tara lives like right there. I need to stop bouncing my head. Tara lives right there. That's Garcia. I think that's where Chris lives. I think, if I've got the buildings right. You know, I'm not. I wouldn't say I'm that good with the names of the buildings around here. I'm gonna try to get the mountains.